First time. Counted. First time. Ang pare, mandatory 5 minutes. Dalawang quarter. Per training. Okay. First ball. Number 8. Number 8, pass.
Sabi ko kasi matulog muna tayo.
Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Tirando. No good. Rebound on number 7. Number 7 na. Ako number 31. Number 31. Bumaga. Pinasa. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3-4. Number 8, no good. Rebound on number 7. Number 7. Back to number 31. Number 31. A rapid winning violation. 8 and 50 seconds. Number 8, Mulaksa, Gogo, Rebound on number 22. Back to number 7, number 7, Managaling, Laya. It's good. And a shot, 7-0. In favor of Isabela. Number 9, Isabela, Gogo, Rebound on number 24. Number 24, back to number 31. Number 15. Traveling violation. Number 8, Sumalaksa, Siguro. Number 24, pass to number 7. Pinasalvas, tumira ng 3, so good. Rebound pa rin na number 16. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 31, number 31. So good. Rebound ng number out of bound. Undefeated ball. Ang score, 7-2. In favor of Isabela. Number 13. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Ulitot. Tumira. Nakuha ng foul. To foul left. Number 16. First personal foul. First team foul.
Meron pa yung coke. Hirap na bangka. Eh, dito sa taas kasi. Yung ako na. Dapat din
Number 21. Amisol, 9-3. In favor of Isabela. Number 24, Sumalaksa. Siguro. 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Number 9, Mahuli. Number 21, pinakababa na. Number 21, Sumalaksa. Nasa na pareho. Number 21, Pak Huli. Number 21, Pak Huli. Number 7, Rico. Tumira ang number Rico baliknya. First personal, second team foul. Number 9, out of bounds. Please get out ball. Number 7, first team foul. 13 foul. First personal foul.
Yung nga po, parang pag-boxing.
Serving Wanda Poli. Play ball.
Wala siya sa play sa
Nice ball. 6-7. In favor of Isabela. Isabela pass number 1 for 1. 3 points. Number 10, number 4, number 10, number 10, number 10. Buka, Huli. Number 3, number 3. Number first shot. First personal foul. Second team foul. First shot, blue. Second shot, good for him. Dua. Sumaksak. Nahuli. Wala na po 20. Pass na po. Kabisay. Kabisay sumaksak. Nahuli foul.
Closing na naman, tatlo na.
Number 21. Black and foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Nakaraan ano eh.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 17, it's good. The score, 3:45 seconds. Number 14, box number 3, no good. Number 10, number 10, box number 19. Number 19, nahuli. Wala na foul. Foul number 10. Penalty na po. Penalty.
Hindi ka binigyan sa inyo yung luxury dyan.
Second personal foul. Unang, pangalawa, wala. Amara, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 14, pass to number 3. Pinalik si number 14, number 14, no good. Foul. Number 19. First, personal foul. Penalty. Unang tira, pasok. Pangalawang tira, wala. Number 20, Pinasa. Is good. Easy basket by number 20. Number 29, sila mga bola. Hinaharap number 3. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 10. Number 19, sumasak na huli. Sila mga bola. Pass to number 40. Number 40. Is good. Now it's gone. 23-19. Number 1. Pinakal pala. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 25-19 ang score. Dalawang mag-win. Number 3, no good. Sino na number 3? Wala sa gitna. Counter. Number 3. Number 3, first, personal foul. Penalty. It's good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Seconds to play. Wala. Traveling violation not counted. Ang score, 31-19. 32 seconds to play. Number 10. Number 10, naharap sa number 10. Number 10, sumaksak. Pero nagawa ng foul. Foul number 21. Penalty na po, penalty. Penalty po, team. Wala na pong shot clock. Number 21, third personal foul. Unang tira na sir. Third personal foul. Number 21. Pangalawang tira is good. 21 seconds to play. Number 1. Nahuli na number 14. 15 seconds to play. Number 3, number 3. Move on. 5 seconds to play. Basa na lang ang number 3. Marami tayo. Bukas. Ang score, 31-24.